Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Only Yours. This is Roshni over here. So today I will be sharing a tutorial of how I converted this old boring drawing board into a really vibrant, colorful and motivational one. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the products that I have used in my project. These are different shades of the chalk paint, Decor Varnish for the final touch, sponge and the paintbrush for application of all the chalk paint and the Decor Varnish. And for writing the quotes, I have used this permanent marker pen. This is of Dome's Refilo permanent marker pen. Okay, so the different shades of the chalk paint. This is white in the shade of snow. This is in the shade of lavender blush. This is in the shade of marsh green, and then lemon chiffon. Okay, lemon chiffon. This is frozen ice shade, and this is the bubblegum shade. So all the links would be mentioned in the description box from where to buy this different sort of the chalk paints. And this is the decor varnish. It is available in the two different types. One is the gloss one and another one is the matte one. I have used the glossy one, and this is basically for protecting our wooden surfaces or all the other projects which you do from the wear and tear and from the dust, because I would be using this project in my day-to-day life. So to protect it from the dust and the wear and tear, I have applied three thorough coats of decor varnish, and after applying each and every paint I have allowed it to dry, and then applied the second coat. So let's get started.